team, Steve Clark. Substitution in the 60th minute. That, ladies and gentlemen, is the final whistle.
I don't be holding, but your team was in it up until very late in the game. Probably you didn't take your chances in the first half when you had the wind at your back.
That is absolutely correct. We were in the game up to the 84th minute, and one moment of madness, and the game changed, you know.
And conceding that second goal right there in the, as we headed into added time, that didn't help the cause at all.
Yeah. We lost our left back to injury, and we couldn't make a substitution because there was no windows left. And they never made the adjustment on the field. Somebody never came to cover that spot, and we lost. In fact, we scored the second goal. So it's one of those things.
What do you take from this performance?
I take very little from this performance. The team needs a number of things to be able to compete at this level. For some reason, somebody thought that these players could compete at the Premier League level, and they were wrong. They're mistaken. So there's still a couple of days left to change it. If the will is there, it can be changed. If not, it's going to be a long rest of the season.
And you certainly used the conditions here this afternoon. In the first half, you were battling the breeze. You were able to withstand the pressure, and in the second half, to use it to your benefit.
Yes, that is something I addressed before the game and during the halftime. That, gentlemen, once we're against the breeze, we have to just withstand the pressure throughout that period, because it's only a matter of time. When you get the advantage, you just need to utilize it.
Coach, I know you spoke about the lack of impact players in the transfer market, but you're looking a little bit light at centre forward. Is there still anyone possibly coming through in that position?
We still have up until the 2nd of February, and you have 1 and 2 youngsters still showing interest. Not any talent, so to speak, where you can say you get excited, but once they show interest, it means that you can take the time out to develop those talents. But basically, we have some youngsters.
Also, coaching, as we all know, the upcoming Jamaica match is coming up, and they're looking at local players. Do you believe Nicola Fuller deserves a shot in the team?
That will be left to the coaching staff of the national team.
Thank you.